For Saturday, 31st of May 2025, Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Denis Idausa, don officially launch back the monthly environmental sanitation exercise. The launch shele for Museum Ground, Ring Road, Benin City, and people wey show face include the Managing Director of Waste Management Board, Lucky Inegbenehi, and the Permanent Secretary, Jude Ekpo. As e dey talk, Right Honorable Denis Idausa come here and say the exercise go dey happen every last Saturday of the month from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning. E come talk say this sanitation not be just formality, but na civil duty and serious call for everybody to take care of their environment. E come here and say our environment not be just background for our life, na the foundation of our health, economy, and the legacy wey we go leave behind. Say we must stop the anyhow way of throwing dirty, especially the one wey dey block gutter. Oga Idausa still warn say the Senator Monday Okpebholo's government no go waste time to take strong action against anybody or group wey not obey the sanitation law.
We are here this morning to officially flag off the monthly environmental sanitation exercise in Edo State. It is with deep sense of duty and responsibility that I stand before you today, the 31st of May 2025, to officially flag off the introduction of the monthly environmental sanitation exercise. These initiatives is scheduled to hold from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the last Saturday of every month. This exercise must not be seen as a mere routine, but a clarion call and a civic responsibility for each and every one of us to take ownership of our environment, to cherish the land that we call our homes, and to work together for a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable Edo State that guarantees a healthy living. As we gather here today, let us reflect on the significance of this initiative. Our environment is not just a backdrop of our lives, but it is a very foundation of our health, our economy, and legacy we leave behind for the next generation. We must, in strong terms, discourage the indiscriminate disposal of waste, particularly the blocking of drainages with refuge and littering our streets and surroundings. A clean environment is not a luxury, but a necessity for well-being. It is our collective duty to ensure that cleanliness becomes a way of life in our dear state. The reintroduced monthly exercise goes beyond cleaning our streets and neighborhoods. Rather, it is about building a culture of environmental stewardship. We must instill in our people the values of responsibility, discipline, respect for the nature. Let us raise awareness and cultivate a habit that supports long-term sustainability. To this end, I wish to emphasize that the government will not hesitate to take a decisive action against individuals or groups that flout the rules of this sensitization exercise. Everyone is expected to remain at home during stipulated hours and participate actively in the cleaning of their surroundings, with exception granted only to exception duties. I particularly urge our youth to take ownership and lead this initiative. As the leader of tomorrow, your voice and actions can ignite a meaningful change in our communities. I also call on traditional and religious institutions across the state to help in sensitizing citizens on the importance of this exercise. Let me reiterate that the journey towards a cleaner Edo State is a continuous one that demands a constant vigilance, commitment, and readiness to hold each other accountable. Let us rise to this call and work in hand to hand to make sure that Edo is a shining example of environmental sustainability and civil pride.
Lucky Inegbenehi, wey be the Oga Patapata of Waste Management Board, contact the Ministry of Environment and the Deputy Governor for the ogbonge efforts, and come also beg Edo people say make dem support the new law. Say if we fit continue this sanitation, sickness like malaria, cholera, and others go waka leave us.
Thanks to His Excellency the Executive Governor of Edo State for prioritizing environmental sustainability. May God continue to uplift you. Thanks to Minister of Environment, PS, may God continue to strengthen you. Our entire team, may God bless you all. And to the good people of Edo State, please, let's adopt this new norm. This is all about the protection of our health and our community. There's a saying, health is wealth. If we are able to sustain this, and I can assure you, malaria will be a thing of the past. Cholera and so on will all be a thing of the past. So please, let's adopt this new norm. Let's do this together. Together, it is possible. Our environment is very, very important for us. As we embark on this today, I assure our good people of Edo State that our team is going to be of their best conduct.
Jude Ekpo, permanent secretary, also hailed the Okpebholo-led government for the equipment and support wey dem give and come promise say dem go do everything to make sure say Edo go be one of the cleanest states for Naija.
The journey has just begun, and Edo has to be one of the cleanest states, if not the cleanest state in Edo State, in Nigeria. Of course, Mr. Governor has supported us with equipment and all we need to ensure that Edo State is the cleanest state in Nigeria. So we don't have any cause to fail. Mr. Governor is very passionate about this, and we are here to carry out his wishes, and we'll do just that for our people. So Edo State will be a cleaner state and a very healthy one. And at the end of the day, the environment will be sustained for the betterment of all of us.
After the launch, Deputy Governor come waka around do check of the sanitation equipment with Waste Management Board officials, people from the Office of the Deputy Governor, and the Deputy Chief of Staff, Honorable Pius Salile. After the check, Honorable Dennis Idausa come carry in team waka enter streets and market for Oredo, Ego, Okpebholo and Ovia Northeast areas to chook eye on top how Edo people dey do their sanitation and those wey not follow obey the law. Inside all the waka, they come gbab some people wey not obey the sanitation law and come carry them go mobile court where they for try them and find them if them dey guilty. Clean environment na better life. Make we join hand make Edo shine. Not be government work alone. Na our state, na our responsibility. Na all of us get Edo. Sanitation not be joke, na action. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojeseli, TMC News.